That was the best case scenario. I hope everyone is doing great. Today's the last day here in Chikmagalur. We're gonna leave now. We have to check out like literally in another 10 or 15 minutes. We're going to Wayanad today, and we just realized that the check-in time, there's a limit for a check-in time in the Wayanad hotel. It's called CGH Wild, something like that. Weirdly, it seems you have to check in there before 5 p.m. In case we check in after 5 p.m., they're not gonna allow that. I don't know why. Doesn't matter why and all that. Let's get out as soon as possible. Chaitanya seems to be perfect. He's all fine. It could have been worse. I was just thinking, last night I was sitting and editing, and those scenes were literally flashing on my mind so many times, the way he fell and all that. His helmet has taken a lot of beating, and let me tell you, a helmet is very, very, very important. Though we don't wear full gear when we're going for small rides like 40-50 kilometers, from now onwards we're not going to do that. We're going to wear proper gear and go. In case we have plans to go anything beyond 30-40 kilometers, and if you think we're going to rip the bikes a little bit, definitely life is more important. So we will have to wear gear. And helmet though, that is like basic. Touchwood, luckily we never ignore helmet. Doesn't matter if it's like, even see, I go from my gym is like hardly 700 meters from my house, but I wear a helmet. You guys also wear a helmet, because the way his helmet took the beating yesterday, because your neck is like free on your body, it hits first, and when he fell down I saw him bouncing his head to the road. Let me show you his helmet. And also bike pe thoda sa damages hua. The reason I'm showing you all this is so that you understand the importance of gear. Alright? And once again, thumbs up to Chaitanya. He's done a great job. He's being very positive about this. Of course, there's gonna be a little bit of trauma in your head. In the back of your mind, you'll be thinking, why did this happen and all that. Hello Abhi, let's go. I'll have to pack all this stuff. This is the most irritating part of any ride. We have to sit and pack everything. We don't even know where we put all that stuff. So 3 kilometers away from the bike parking. Weird.
The wildlife తిరుగుతుంటది, ఎలిఫెంట్స్ అవన్నీ నైట్ టైమ్. సో మీరు 5కి వస్తే బెస్ట్ సార్.
That's nice, but in a way
nice, good, but
I mean the location is very nice. It seems elephants are gonna roam after 5 o'clock. They'll not allow us. So that's the reason.
They have night walks and all, etc.
Chalo, let me start my packing. Oh, helmet, let me show you this. And this is the Arai. Chaitanya gave this 8 out of 10, but now he's super happy about it, the way it protected his head. Now he increased it to 11 out of 10. Only one side. Yeah, he actually hit himself like this, and I saw him bounce like this. Scary shit, yeah. Ever seen Big Bazaar?
అయిపోయిందా? జూమ్ చేయరా?
Zoom చేస్తే you need very big wide angle lens for this to cover all this.
It's all professional organization.
ప్రతి దానికి బ్యాగ్ ఉంటుంది. Everything has one bag.
When you're traveling internationally, you get used to packing cubes, all these things. It's hard to explain, right?
So that packed it.
Bag, and all these bags will go into this bag, and this bag will go into the panniers.
Yes.
Chaitanya, how are you feeling?
Very good.
Very good. Happy with your helmet?
Loving the helmet. Arai for life.
8 out of 10 went to 11 out of 10. But Chaitanya, are you planning to change your helmet? Usually they say, as per RI recommendation, you need to change your helmet once it drops.
Any helmet.
Yeah. Fell like properly. It literally bounced like that.
It feels like it's just a surface scratch.
It fell like properly. So I think you should change. Don't take the risk, because there might be internal hairline fractures in it. I'm done with my packing. See, one thing is, when we pack at home, we pack all the stuff in left. I mean, you organize some things in your left pannier and some things in the right pannier. Like I said, I put my electronics in the right pannier, extra batteries, all that in the right pannier. Left pannier, I put food and all that. But now, once you come to the room and remove everything, you forget what is there and what. You end up putting everything everywhere. Top box. Not people like. Not professional organizers like Chaitanya. I don't mix everything. I don't remember where is what.
What, bro?
What, bro? You're late, bro.
Hey,
I forgot to show you this room. This room is so huge. And there's 2 people sleeping here, Kishore and Suju. The snoring room. Special soundproofing is there, it seems, for this room. Naishar, your room is big. Sujan, very good boy. These days he's being very early on time. He's not making it late like before, which means it shows that he's getting matured now.
I know. ఇది ఎక్కడో ఎక్కడి నుంచి ఎక్కడికో రిలేట్ అవుతుంది.
తర్వాత తెలుస్తుంది ఎందుకో. త్వరలో you will know. Yesterday after coming from the trip.
Shooting good,
Hmm.
The subscriber met, right?
Yeah.
And he was like,
Firstly, thank you to the subscriber. He got us coffee. Very amazing smell. Pura room, mera pura panier bhi. It's smelling of that beautiful coffee.
he was like, Suji bro, when is your marriage?
When are you getting married, bro?
People, I'm young. I'm only 26.
Oh, by the way, it seems
Pioneer
we
was
have to take e-passes to go to Wayanad because we are entering Kerala, the state of Kerala. We need e-passes. So in case you guys are traveling to Kerala, make sure that you carry e-passes with you. It's pretty simple. You can download it from the internet. All you have to do is give some of your details and you can download it. All of us got our e-passes. All we have to do is go get into Wayanad now and have fun. Also, we need to lube. When did we last lube it? Gar pe. Have to wash me.
Which doesn't need lubing is already started packing.
The 1250 has a shaft, so you don't need lube for it, no chain. We need to lube because last we lubed before coming to the trip. That is almost 600, no 800 kilometers. No, 1000 ho gaya. Actually, they say you have to lube your chain every 300 to 400 kilometers if it is like a monsoon season. But it was almost dry, 90% of the trip. I think it's fine.
Smashing burda.
Last minute smashing burda. Getting out of this hotel now. Very beautiful hotel, very nice hospitality. Gateway Chikmagalur. Thank you so much for your hospitality. One of the best I've experienced in the recent times. And from this particular location, time is exactly 11:50 right now. We have to leave at 11 o'clock in the morning. We have to be on time because like I told you, if we go late, like around 5 o'clock. Also the tricky part is we have to park our bikes at a parking place, and from there they'll take us in a jeep approximately 3 kilometers to the hotel. It sounds really exciting. This is where Chaitanya fell, not exactly here, thoda samne. So basically, to avoid this construction, the car took a right. He should have seen in the rear view mirror, which are usually our Indian drivers don't do. They don't look at the mirrors, they just take a turn, and he didn't bump, but Chaitanya wanted to avoid him and he went into all this off-road. And then he tried to come back into the road. That's when the mishap happened. It shows approximately 280 kilometers from here, which is not a long ride, but it's going to take quite some time because I think it's going to be a ride through the forest and all that. Maybe we'll have a lot of off-road. Maybe the roads are bad because Google Maps shows 6 hours 30 minutes. Let's try. We'll try to push a little bit today because we're already late. Okay, as of now, clear skies, amazing, beautiful weather to ride. Temperature is around 26.5 degrees. I stopped, so it is 26.5. I think it should be, it feels like 25, 26. And guys, remember, you have panniers today. Be careful while maneuvering, you have panniers. Okay, this is the city of Hassan. Should I come back? అరే పోరా గడ్డం గీకుని చాలు గడ్డం కొక్కుంటుంటాడు పోకుండా ఓకే సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద సిటీ ఆఫ్ హసన్ అరే దిస్ ఇస్ నెక్స్ట్ లెవెల్ రైడింగ్ ఇన్ ఇండియా करेक्ट चैतन्य का डब्बा साइज है बाइक एंड लुक एट दिस 3 people sitting on one छोटा सा Kawasaki. What is that? Samurai. Epic. Bike weight will be what, 80 kilos, 90 kilos, and each person on it is like 90 kilos. What I really like is the engine in that. It's able to pull 3 people. By the way, we have finished approximately 90 kilometers or something from the hotel room, and roads are superb, man. Like most of the road till here, at least, it's really good. Only thing is it's a single lane since the time we started, so you know that, right? People keep coming in the opposite direction while overtaking, typical issue. Rest all good. We just need a fuel break after. Actually, we're stopping for lunch now. It's 1:40 p.m. in the afternoon. Around 2 o'clock we're planning to stop, have some lunch. Surprisingly, this is the first time Kishore is first here. He crossed us like 10 minutes away and he came. 10 minutes and then but good job. He's doing a pretty good job in this ride. And the first thing we have to do as soon as we stop is to charge our cell. first thing we have to do definitely without fail is to charge our Senas whenever we stop, because without this we feel so bored. We got used to it so much, but still a pretty useless device because it doesn't connect well, but when it connects it's good. Stop for a quick lunch break right now. Exactly 1:50 p.m. in the afternoon. Another, I don't know how many kilometers we've done. I think approximately it was 260, right? 260, right? 100 kilometers only. We did only 100 kilometers. 157 kilometers to go. 3 hours 57 minutes, almost 4 hours it's showing. Actually, we already bet Google's time by half an hour. So we'll have some quick lunch. I'll not repeat about the lunch, what we are having. Same typical stuff. Our oats, our tiffin boxes are ready. Let's have it. And most importantly, I have to show you Chaitanya's bike. He's feeling a little bit weird about his bike now. It could be psychological, not sure. But yeah, these are the damages. That's a major damage. You see this? This one should be like this. Obviously, because he fell on the left side, it's almost gone, scraped off. So this needs to be changed. And second damage is this one, the crash guard. Luckily the crash guard is there. That is the reason it didn't damage the panels, but it went a little bit inside, maybe by an inch. Gear lever also went a little bit inside. Apart from this, most of the bike is good. Oh yes, this one, the footrest, rear footrest spring is gone.
Even the rubber is gone. I have to replace the whole thing.
That's it. Anything else?
Chaining sound వస్తుంది. I'll have to get it looked at later.
Chain thoda sound aa raha, but I think that is to do with the chain slack. Yeah, rest of the bike is perfect. Main thing, clear orders correct undali. Not a scratch, bro, on the clear order side. A lot of scratches on the crash bars. And not a single scratch on
Gym body.
once upon a time
అక్కడ వచ్చిందా?
once upon a time our lives.
టేబుల్ మెంబర్ దారా పే 12 రోటీ దో
అమ్ముకోరట 12 రోటీ,
దో పన్నీర్ బటర్ మసాలా,
బటర్ మసాలా,
దో
బటర్
butter
చికెన్. బటర్ ఎక్కువ ఉండాలమ్మా.
సార్ ఇక్కడ తంగడి చికెన్ బాగుంటుందంట.
అవి అవొక 2.
1 2 3 4 7 8 9
సుజు యు వాంట్ సోడా? నో.
1 2 3 4
దాంట్లో తాగుతావు.
9 సోడా, 2 ఎక్స్ట్రా 11 సోడా,
చాక్లెట్ మిల్క్ షేక్ విత్ ఐస్ క్రీమ్. చైతన్య వాంట్ గులాబ్ జామున్? వద్దు, నా దాంట్లో మళ్ళీ చేయబెట్టొద్దు. ఆడ కూడా చెప్పరు, ఏం కాదు. 2
రసగుల్లా.
క్యారెట్ హల్వా బాగుందంటరా. 9 క్యారెట్ హల్వా. ఇప్పుడు నువ్వు ఇదేం తిన్నావు?
నేను మార్గదర్శిలో చేరా.
People are saying to bacha hai, you need to eat properly. These people are like gone into their diet and all. You should eat properly. What is your comment on that? వీడి సంగతి తెలియదు, మస్తు తింటుండు. నేను 2 రోజులు తినేది, 1 రోజు.
ఒక్క నిమిషం, నేను బచ్చానో పెద్దోనో వాళ్ళు డిసైడ్ అవ్వనిరా.
చెప్తారా? త్వరలో చెప్తారా?
పెళ్ళి చేసుకుంటారు. బచ్చా అని అప్పుడు అన్నారు, ఇప్పుడు తింటుంటే బచ్చా అంటారు.
పాయింట్.
వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్? నాట్ లైకింగ్ ఇట్. ఐ డోంట్ లైక్ ఇట్.
Nice your performance. This reminds me of Bandipur Forest Reserve while going to Ooty. But very beautiful here, amazing, and roads are also superb, amazing roads. వాడిదే అవ్వాలరా అందరిలో. The worst just happened, not worst, but I just didn't want this to happen, and that is what exactly happened. Suzuka tire puncture. Out of all the tubeless tires, uska hai hona. Where is he, dude? I can see him here. Oh, full flat. దాన్ని రోల్ చేయకరా, ఉన్నది చిరిగిపోతుంది. పంక్చర్ షాప్ ఎంత దూరం? 1 కిలోమీటర్ అంటారా? గో గో గో. అరే తీసుకొచ్చిండ్రా ఇటు పంక్చర్ వాడిని. దా, గెట్ ఇట్ డౌన్, గెట్ ఇట్ దేర్, ఇదర్ డాల్ దో. గ్రాబ్ రైల్ బట్ 1 2 1 2. ఏంది వేస్తున్నావు అసలు? పుల్ పుల్ పుల్. బర్రే, 3 మోషనం, 4. ఇదేంటి ప్రొఫెషనలా? తిప్పి పడేస్తుండ్రు రప్ప. బట్ ఐ లైక్ దిస్ కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ తెలుసో లేదో ఇప్పి పడేస్తుండు తర్వాత పెట్టనీకి వస్తుందో లేదో వీడికి అయ్యా रफ्फर पीके पहले किया ऐसा गाड़ी इसके पहले किया ऐसा वाला गाड़ी अच्छा भैया चेन निकाल दिया चेन वो चेन निकालना पहले भैया इसको पहले अंदर मारना फिर वो लूज़ हो जाएगा हाँ अंदर मारो पहले इधर पकड़ रहा देखो सो ऑफिशियली लॉस्ट 2 hours more than 2 hours thanks to Sujan's Africa Twin tubed bike. Out of all the 8 tires we have, 4 bikes, all the tubeless tires, his bike should get punctured. What yeah? ఎవరు లెగ్ ఇది ఎవరు డిస్ట్రిబ్యూట్ ఇది మాకు రైడ్ స్టార్ట్ అయినప్పుడు చూస్తున్నా పాపం మా చేత నేను పడేసి నిన్న
చెప్తున్నా ఎదరా ఆల్ ప్రీవియస్ రైడ్స్ వీ హ్యాడ్ ఫైనాన్షియల్ లాస్ ఫోన్ డ్రోన్ ఆల్ దీస్ థింగ్స్ దిస్ రైడ్
physical damage and mental damage. Trip is only half done. We have 50% more left. And this fellow didn't put hashtag. Did you put hashtag virtually in your head? Mentally, psychologically, no right? నేను ఏం చేసుకుంటారా వీడియోలు తీసుకొని బతుకుతుంటా ఇట్లా
ముందు పిసినావు కదా లెమన్లు
అందుకే నా బండికి ఏం కావట్లే నాకేం కాలే
Next time తీసుకురా,
కట్బీవా మేరకు కట్బీవా
గెట్ 10 లెమన్స్ నెక్స్ట్ టైం
అవన్నీ చూసుకుందాం ఏం చేస్తాం చెప్పు 5:10 time is 5:10 we had to cancel we had to postpone our booking the wild what is that Wayanad Wild because we can't go beyond 5 o'clock there. Now it's 5:10 already late and from here it's around 115 kilometers. It should take us 3 hours. ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ तो 3 hours. So what we did is we cancelled it and we booked another place which is 105 kilometers from here. It's called the Mori Cap. So from there tomorrow we'll check out. One night we're gonna stay there and tomorrow we'll go to the other place, Wayanad Wild. So we are waiting for Sujan. Once he comes we'll leave. Kishore we don't know where did he go. చెప్పేవాడికి హోటల్ మార్చామని పాత హోటల్ దగ్గర కూర్చుంటాడు పోయి. Finally we are moving at literally 5:15 p.m. Actually we should reach now. One eternity later. Yes, started. Let's head to Mori Cap. That's the place we are going to. It's okay. Happens. Kabhi as a delays. It's okay. But that shouldn't happen today. I didn't want that to happen today. But it happened. We can't help it. All thanks to the stupid Africa Twin. No. Bike is very good. No problem with the bike. Only thing is that stupid tire. Tube tire. Oka tube tire పోయింది గ్యాంగ్ లో నుంచి. And now we have another tube tire left. Which needs to go. Definitely needs to go soon. Okay, I thought I'll directly see you in the room, but either we have an update, we just stopped here somewhere in the middle of the forest to have a protein snack, protein bar. Here is update 1 hour 11 minutes left, 39 kilometers, 7:42, we should reach the destination, Mori Cap. I know it sounds a bit funny, but that's the place we are going to. Mori Cap is a hotel, and we could nicely hear, this forest we could nicely hear elephants shouting. So we thought we'll not stop, let's get out before an elephant comes like this and charges at us. I know GoPro will not capture anything right now, but yeah, let's switch on this. You can see a little, right? We reached finally. Okay, finally we reached the room. This place is called Mori Cap. Done with my shower and all, feeling all fresh. Richaran is also ready. We need to order some dinner right now. And first we are all giving a class too.
What's up boys? कैसे हो ఎలా ఉన్నారు?
We are asking Chetan is very frustrated with this guy with his bike.
ఎంత పెట్టినారా బండి మీద
Hey yo! ఇప్పుడు దాకా ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఏమవుతుంది?
20 lakhs for a non premium brand. Not even
hold on most limit Mark Marquez Dakar.
No. I'll tell you. YouTuber. No, not that. That guy who came to the repair, he said, कौन सा गाड़ी Triumph पता नहीं है, BMW पता नहीं है. अरे Honda चलो, I have the tools. Screw कनिపిస్తే ఇప్పేస్తుండు.
20 lakhs for a non-premium brand, not even liter class. Not even liter class.
Just 998 cc.
Useless.
What should you? Come on, you need to get a tube tire now. Sorry, tubeless tire, please. Tube tires on adventure చాలా లైఫ్ లో మాకు.
ఇప్పటికి 20 పెట్టిండు, మళ్ళీ ఇంకో 2 పెట్టి ట్యూబ్లెస్ కొంటాడంట.
By the way, tubeless tire for the Africa Twin is 2 lakhs. Sorry, 80,000 each. Oh, both together. Hey, cheaper Honda. ఒకటితో పోయింది.
Not happy, we are not happy with your.
ఎందుకు ఆగావు? టైర్ పట్టుకొని ఎందుకు బండి ఊపావు?
ఆ టైర్స్ ఒకటి మళ్ళీ
cheap tires.
పెట్టడానికి 5 minutes తీయడానికి 5 minutes.
పెట్టడానికి రాలే. I should help him. I had to help him.
వాడు మెనూలో ఉన్న ఐటెంలు అన్నీ చెప్తాడు, మొహం మాత్రం అట్లా పెడతాడు.
నాకు గ్రిల్డ్ చికెన్ స్టిక్
Steak.
స్టెక్
Steak.
స్టెక్
Steak. Steak girl. Steak. But a lot of people think STEAK is steak. It's steak.
స్టెక్
Yes, correct. Cake girl. Steak. Tomorrow we have to exit from here. We are here for only one day. Tomorrow we'll be going to that wild place, that deep forest resort called Wayanad Wild. By the way, we had lot of adventures till now. Yesterday,
అరే మళ్ళీ
adventure number 1. Adventure number 2. గాలి పోయింది. Adventure number 3. After, by the way, I forgot to tell you. After the, you gadra. After you went to drop that puncture guy, what happened?
he dropped the bike.
The puncture guy dropped the bike. It seems he was trying to get down on the bike and hit the pannier and he fell down. అయినా సగం పని నేను చేశాను, నాకు ఇవ్వాలి డబ్బులు నువ్వు.
సరే 5 రూపాయలు ఇస్తా.
ఏంద్ర 5 రూపాయలు 200 ఇచ్చావు.
You even bled for this fool.
దిస్ బ్లడీ ఫుల్ తెలియ బ్లడ్ బి ఆయా మేరకు.
అంత వద్దు. వాడు హైదరాబాద్ నుంచి ఇక్కడ వరకు ప్రతి రోడ్ పైన టెరిటరీ మార్క్ చేసుకుంటూ కూలెంట్ పోసుకుంటూ వచ్చాడు. అది అడ్వెంచర్ నెంబర్ 4.
అరే అడ్వెంచర్ నెంబర్ 4.
బైక్ మీద రా.
इसका कूलेंट लीक हो रहा.
We have a coolant replacement.
We have coolant डब्बा.
కూలెంట్ అయిపోతే కూలెంట్ రా.
ఇంకేమైనా అడ్వెంచర్లు ఉన్నాయా?
ఒక రూమ్
రేడియేటర్ ఎందుకు మారుస్తారు?
వన్ చోటా సా అడ్వెంచర్. అదే హోటల్. We had to go to that adventurous hotel. We couldn't go.
అడ్వెంచర్ అవ్వలేదు.
అదే వెళ్ళలేపోయాం కదా, అదే పెద్ద.
Just out. Look at my form.
Okay, we'll order some dinner now. But everyone is happy today because they don't have sessions. No workout sessions today.
ఫుల్ చీట్ చల్ రहा है जिशान.
No. Not me. At least not me. Not this. Arey,
Not this guy.
morning breakfast cheat kiya tu?
మాట్లాడుతున్నావు.
He cheated in the morning. Jam ka hai अच्छे से. You had jam and bread. Okay, he rewarded himself. It's okay. He rewarded himself. Chalo then I'll end the video here. Hope you guys have liked this video. In case you did, do hit the like button, do subscribe, do share, do comment.
and do hit the bell icon.
Oh yes, please hit the bell icon. See you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.